What's up, guys? Next day here, man, and this thing is still feeling like a dream because, dog, check it out. Man, got them both lined up right here. I feel like this somebody car in my building or something, man. But it's not. It's not a dream, it's real life. So let's get this thing. Let's hop in this for a sec and see what we can get done for the day, man. I need some headers, exhaust on this thing fast. I think this thing's sounding beast. Later on in the day here, man, we just pulled up to the wrap shop with my dog, just ran. So, wow, I haven't even, they got a Trailblazer with the top cut off of this thing. I never even seen one like this before. That's dope, dog. I haven't even seen that. But we see a Corvette here. It was a Stingray. It looks like they did the Z06 conversion on it. So let's just check out what's up here, man. They got a lot of like nice dope cars up here. So let's see. We can start with the drop top Trailblazer.
Ain't that crazy, bro?
It's wild. They'll go crazy for this in LA.
Man.
Sunday fun day.
Oh, 3 seats, bro?
Well, we doing donuts.
Damn, bro.
Going up. I can dig that one. But this one was the regular Stingray. They put the Z06, looks like fenders on it, which is cool. The back is regular. But looks like they're gonna get a different color wrap, which is pretty cool. I can dig it though. Let's see what they got. I like this blue right here though. This blue is kind of cold, man. It is kind of cold. That thing look icy.
Yes.
I can dig that, man. What y'all think about this blue? Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, this motherfucker nice. This is nice. What y'all think about this blue though, man? I'm digging it with this like mirror tint. That's actually the kind of tint I want to go on my Vet. Like this mirror tint, I kind of like that. Looks really, really sick, dog. So I don't know. I got the G63. They took all the, we'll get there. They took all the little wrap off of it. It was like a stainless steel or a graphite gray rather. Got the big meaty like off-road tires on it, which is a plus. This thing is pretty beefed up. Then they got the all black i8 daddy right here. This is the joint, all black thing. This one's pretty fresh. See, when I see stuff like this, it still make me want an i8, man. So that may be next, guys. Eventually, maybe next year. Man. But I'm digging it. I can dig this matte black. I like it. We got the Tesla truck right here, the P100D. So the doors on this one, they open up like that in the back, which is dope. I like this color on it with the like orange trimming. It looks really good, like a New York Nick or something like that. So that's dope, man. We got the S550 coupe with the 4Gs on that joint. These 4Gs get off. I can dig that. Mirrors, I mean, his window is busted there, but this thing is still real fly. I can dig this. I wouldn't mind this coupe either. Ooh, look at the Charger though. Hellcat. Wide body, purple. Now this thing is clean. It's got the blue and black suede. Did they wrap this? Yeah, they wrapped this. That's crazy. This is a real nice color with the carbon fiber little joint right there. I can dig that. That's super dope. Yeah, see, this is like the type of wrap I'm looking for, like a glossed up one that look painted. Like it gotta look shiny. This thing is freaking clean as heck. I can dig that. That purple is nice. What y'all think about it? Let me know in the comments below. What's up, guys? Early morning here, man. Yesterday we have got the Honda sold. It is out of here, so time to get some more inventory, man. We about to go back here, check out the truck, try to get that thing started. If anything, take it down to LA and get that thing fixed, man. So hang with us today and let's see if we can get some stuff actually done today, man. It's been so hot out here and humid. Oh, my boy got the he got the blackout kit done on his i8. Let's check it out. He went and got his wheels all blacked out. That thing look way better now. Gotta wash it. That thing was dirty yesterday. I think it was fresh though. What y'all think? Here is the big baby. Uh-oh, is the battery dead? Maybe not. Okay. Damn. Battery is dumb dead, y'all. No luck on it. Alrighty, guys. We could not get the truck started today. I didn't even go get a battery charger or nothing like that. I just didn't want to deal with it. So I went to go get some stock wheels for the Camaro because it's still sitting on rims back there. We got to take those rims off and get those things sold so we can use that money to fix the truck and be done with the truck motor-wise for now. So let's get this last little tire switched out, get them thrown on the car, and go on about our day. I mean, let's see what's good. Got them tires, well, a tire switched over. Got the tire pressure sensor in there. Now, I just realized I freaking didn't bring none of my freaking lug nuts. They're all still in LA, unfortunately. So I might have to bite the bullet and just buy some new lug nuts for this so I can just get it out of here. I think I might just do that. Otherwise, I would have to go to LA. Get that, then I can get the jumper box, then I can start the truck. But I'm gonna be going to LA sometime later on in the week anyway, so I don't know, I might just wait and hold off on it. I don't know, we'll see what happens. All right, guys, let's try hitting the strip, man, and getting some night view with this bad boy, dog. I can't wait to see how it's gonna look under these lights, man. We gotta take the top off and everything, so let's pop that top off right now and get it going now, shall we? And then if you guys do see, the Honda is sold. We only have the Camaro, the Vet, the Camaro, and that's not our truck, but it does look nice and it does fit in the lineup, so we'll go with it for now. Let's take the tops off and hit the strip in this thing, man, now, shall we? Alrighty, guys, we are on the strip right now with the top off. Y'all got the lights. Y'all see what's going on. Easy enough. It's way easier like this, showing everything around me. No top. That's what I'm talking about, dog. That's what I'm talking about, dog. I'm just cruising, though. I wish I can get y'all some good content with some music, me sliding and gliding, but you know, it is what it is, man. It is what it is, dog. Right out here on the fabulous Las Vegas Strip in a Corvette with the Porsche behind me, man. We fitting right in. Ooh, we got them joints out, dog, with the guts on that thing, dog. Alrighty, guys, I had to pull over real quick just so y'all can see how we sliding and gliding under the lights, man. Nice black Darth Vader look right here. Ooh, thing look clean, dog. I wish it was just lighter out so we can get a better quality, but it is what it is, man. What's up, guys? Next morning here, man. Went driving in the Vet and stuff last night. Took the tops off and it was pretty cool. However, we was having a little bit too much fun and we had the airbag light come on, which I typed it in. It's pretty common on the C7s under the passenger seat. It's a small little clip that if it's down even a little bit, it'll trigger that airbag light to come on. So I actually looked that up last night. The clip was actually down. All you had to do was push it up. So I got that in there. Now we are about to head to Chevrolet to get this thing checked out. I want to just make sure it's A1 and good. Get the AC recharged up. Just make sure everything is everything before we just drive in it, just like how we drive this Camaro. So I just want to have a little bit more security. So we're going to head to Chevrolet, get this thing a full checkup. Other than the airbag, it does take off a little hard going from first to second, but other than that, I mean, I guess it's pretty cool. So I don't know, we'll have to see what's up though, but let's start this thing up. Got the Corvette emblem. All right, let's get going then. Alrighty guys, so we are here at Chevrolet. We got the vet in here. We're just getting everything checked out and getting the AC recharged. Once I leave here and we get everything figured out, we got to get the tint ultra black because it's like super hot out here in Vegas. So let's try to cool this thing down a little bit. How about that? Alrighty guys, we are here at Fabulous Chevrolet. I just dropped the Camaro. See how it is? I just dropped the Corvette off. Like I was saying last night when we was hanging out riding sliding, the airbag light came on. I figured that out. It was really no big issue at all. It's literally like a clip under the passenger seat that is pretty common with the C7, so you just have to push it up and it's connected again. So I got that figured out. But like when I'm shifting from first to second, the shift does seem like really harsh. Even kind of like lags a little bit. So just hoping nothing is wrong with that. I do have a 12,000 mile drivetrain warranty, so you know, we'll hope for the best there. And then we want to get our AC recharged because it is super hot out here. Once we get the car back, we'll get the super dark tint on it so it can keep a little bit cooler. I went and got the stock wheels for the Camaro, so we'll be trying to get those switched on today. However, I left all my like lug nuts in LA. It needs like special lug nuts to fit those stock wheels, so I don't think I'm going to be able to put them on today. And I don't really want to buy any extra ones because it's going to be like $2 or $3 a boat and I need like 25 of them. So I don't want to do that. So I might just wait. My Harley bags are ready to pick up. Antonio just hit me. He said they're ready to pick up, so I might pick them up tomorrow or whenever we get the vet back, just seeing pricing wise. So the truck is scheduled to be put in the shop next Monday. So not today, but the following Monday we will be putting the truck in the shop to be getting fixed. So that's a plus too. I can't wait till that thing comes back out because I'm not even really gonna be driving the vet like that, dog. So we'll see what happens, man. I guess while we're here, we can golly, they want $85,000 for this thing. Z06 2018 Z06. Alright, well, it's not even open. But we can just get an idea what we're gonna do to ours. We definitely gonna add this wicker bill onto our Corvette right here. Definitely gonna add that wing. Let's see. Oh yeah, this is the 3LZ package. So this one's pretty dope. I like the yellow trim on the wheels. We'll definitely be getting a splitter as well. And as well as these side rocker panels right there. So our Vet will look similar to this when it's done, minus like the little wide body effect, but I'm digging it. This is like the only Vet they got up here. Alrighty guys, back at the house, and I literally only have, I got the side mirrors for the truck in, and I got, like I said, the headlights. So I literally got no tools, but I got one vice grip. So maybe we can be able to switch those tow mirrors out. Let's go upstairs, grab them, and see if we have any luck doing so. All right, so we got my little helper out here today. Say hi. Say hi. Okay, anyway, we got the mirror right here. We're gonna try to mount this up really quick and get it screwed in. Mm-hmm. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, Goyo? What the heck? Okay, look. Sit right here. Sit right there. Okay, don't move. Alrighty, so we got this mirror hooked up right here. Now we got some action. Now we can see what's going on. The other one, I probably just gotta unscrew, but I really want a freaking socket. It'll be that much easier. But we got my little helper here. Say hey, Goyo. But anyway, we got what we really wanted to get done. We got 2 mirrors on this thing. I could tighten it a little bit more, but I'm gonna just wait till I get the sockets. But it's on there pretty snug right now as it is. Say hi. Say hi. Oh, she's just checking out the inside of a motor right now for the first time. Say whoa. Alrighty guys, we have made it back to Chevrolet. About to go check on the vet. I actually found a diagnosis and I'm hoping my warranty can cover this, because if not, we're gonna have a big problem. I'll start with the worst first. They say, well, when I cranked the car up, I really wasn't hearing this at all when I bought the car, but when I cranked the car up, like the couple mornings after I had it, it sounded like something was kind of clinging when I started it up, and then when I cut it off, you can hear like it like rattle type, you know? So I brought it here and it was like it was something with the driveline system, or I don't know, something with the drivetrain stuff. But it's like a $4,900 fix. Yeah, $4,900. However, I did get warranty. I did pay the extra for warranty. However, I don't know if warranty is going to cover that or not. We'll hope for the best and see what's up. If not, we're going to have to go and see what we can do about the dealer. I'm guessing they're going to be like assholes about it, of course, just like I would expect them to be. But who knows? Maybe we may have somebody decent to work with, man. But I mean, it still runs and drives. If we can't get it fixed or the warranty, I'll just park it for a while. And I don't know, man. We'll try to figure it out, dog. But you know, that's that for the vet. So stay tuned and see what happens with the Corvette. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate you guys tuning in. We got the cruise in the vet a little bit, but you know, it's kind of bittersweet right now. It's like I get my dream car, then you got to pay all this money just for it to like be perfect, you know, because I only want to drive the car if it's perfect. I don't even want to deal with it if it's not. So that's why I'm like, just let me bring it to Chevrolet. And I knew something was up, but it is what it is, man. So we'll try to figure it out. Hopefully warranty covers it, and we'll go from there, man. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.